So the grouting has been done so far. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So as you can see that we are lack of this tiles, and we pulled it out. The reason behind that, like couple of months back, there was a rainy season in our area in Bagan Senan, and due to that the water was came inside, and because of that reason help it with along with the water, maybe because of the bad quality of glue or something. So it's all pop up, and now we have pulled it out this one and we have decided to fix it. And unfortunately we was not able to get the exact match. Some of the pieces was broken, almost 9 pieces. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make it scramble or something, or maybe mix it. What do you think, Mama? Got some knife, or maybe here is okay. Yeah, like that. How's it? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
That's it, it's okay? Sounds good?
That one is, but you cannot do this.
So somehow we managed to fix the tiles, but I am not happy because still there is uneven surface. So because of some lack of tools, I was not able to make it 100%, but it's only satisfactory. So only the grouting is balanced. So all the gaps we have to fix it with the groutings. So the grouting has been done so far.